Welcome to Pelican's How to Replace Your Steering Handle and Guide Wires. In the box, you will find one steering handle with pre-installed guide wires and 2 sheaths. To complete this installation, you will need the following tools: one 3/32 of an inch and one 5/64 of an inch Allen keys, a Phillips screwdriver, a heat gun or hairdryer, a box cutter, 2 pairs of pliers, and a pair of scissors. The first thing you want to do when you repair your kayak is make sure you have access inside. To do so, remove the hatch as well as the bag that is inside of it. So now you have access inside of your kayak to effectuate your repair. Now it's time to remove the P-clips on the stern of your kayak. Next, remove the sheath from the cable. Next, remove the cable from the rudder using the Allen key. Remove the cables from the stern of the kayak using the hatch that you opened earlier. Okay, we are now ready to move to the steering handle. Now that the cables are free, we can work on the steering system. Remove the 4 screws on the steering system first. Carefully pull out the steering system. This will reveal your cables. The same way we did earlier, unscrew your P-clip. And remove them. You are now ready to pull out your cables from the kayak. We're now ready to install the new steering system. Notice how it functions underneath, but when you install it, just make sure that your steering handle faces forward. You will now notice that the white cable is on the right side, but the black cable on the left side. And this is how you will thread them through the holes in your kayak. The 2 holes are here, and this is where they will thread through. Now let's thread them through. You can see that they are properly threaded. And now we will reinstall the P-clips here. It's very important to make sure that the cable does not get completely threaded through and that the sheath is still apparent, because it's very difficult to bring it back once it's been threaded through. So make sure that there's a little piece left so that you can install your P-clip properly. Make sure you also do this before any pulling from the other end. Tighten it nicely. And repeat. Now push your cable back into the sheath. Leaving the cable just slightly tight, just so. Reinstall the 4 screws in your steering system. Using your handle, turn it 90 degrees right and left, then lock it in place. Now it's time to thread the cables through the stern of the kayak. When we first threaded them through the side, they automatically were brought towards the back of the kayak. You see, I'm bringing them out to show you. And the black cable will be going on the starboard side, or if you prefer, the right side of the kayak when looking forward. And the white cable will be coming out of the kayak on the port side, on the left side if you wish, when looking forward. So now we will thread them through, starting with the black one. And you look for the little hole, and you thread it through. And you do the same thing with the white cable. The cables do not need to be tight. They will be somewhat loose inside the kayak, and that is as expected. Next, we will be adding the sheaths to the end of the cables, or of the sheaths of the cables. First, you thread the sheath through the cable, and then using either a heat gun or a high quality, high power hair dryer, you will heat the sheath, leaving it approximately 1/3 on the exposed cable. Let the heat dissipate, and then using the P-clips, we will reinstall it onto the kayak. Now, using the P-clip, we will install this cable onto the kayak. Nice and tight, but do not over tighten. We'll do the same thing with the white cable. Now we will install the P-clip on the white cable. Remember to put the P-clip on the sheath itself so that it's more solid and does not move. Screw it in. Again, do not over tighten. Pull the cables to remove any looseness in them. Now bring up the rudder and tie it on. Now we're going to reinstall the cables onto the rudder. And repeat on the other side. You can now unlock your rudder, deploy it. Final test, remove the locking, and test your steering system. You are now ready to hit the water. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below, and make sure to check out the rest of our how-to video series.